apprenticeship has really exceeded my expectations. I've just learnt so many skills through doing this and taken on so much knowledge, and CDPS have been so warm and welcoming and supportive, so I really can't thank them enough for this opportunity. I think the whole apprenticeship itself has been one big highlight, because it's been a genuine privilege to be able to go into all the different areas of UCD and kind of see how they all tie in together. So I think having that has been really beneficial for my learning, and it's kind of given me this like well-rounded view of how everything works. Well, luckily I've secured a job at CDPS as a junior UCD officer, so that's going to be starting in the next couple of weeks. So I'm quite excited just to take all the experience I've learned from the apprenticeship and apply that into my new role. I've been specialising in content design specifically over the last 6 months, so I think doing a bit more content design and applying what I've learned to future projects is something I'm looking forward to doing, as well as doing the different UCD areas.